Selassie. Jah! Jah! If you believe in yourself, bust a blank over your head. If you love yourself, bust a load of blank over your head. If you know so the Almighty God make you there Sumfest, bust a load of one. Cause if you live and if you blame, who knows? Some people are believing in themselves, so don't expect them to believe in you. Start with oneself. Cause if you live like you live, who give it? Don't blame like blame the way how you live it. Father God never sleeping away when him no make no mistake. Blame it on your friends and cause if you live like you live, who give it? Don't blame like blame the way how you live it. Father God never sleeping away when him no make no mistake. Blame it on your friends and make you know how to do it. I do no best, no best. So I wanna stay down from them. Time to be perfect like a child. Believe in a giant divide. One and that's why you come and need and try to swallow man like I did. And even though them not no lock them trade. If you want to know your friend pretend like you and see your mistake, them will have soul by your head. Well, why you feel flesh up like it is a loaf of bread? Never let them get you down in this game. Them the friends of my life, them think is when them so on the best, them are the last. Fire with fire, then everyone I got it. Yes, man, you live like don't blame like blame the way how you live it. Our Father God never sleep with work and him no make no mistake. Yes, if you live like you live, don't blame like blame the way how you live it. Our Father God never sleep with work, no make no mistake. Far me and forward from. We not talk about the journey from Kingston to Masicka Bay. We not talk about my life journey. Portland me forward from. I born in Portland but me grew up in the Kingston city, you see it? We see the journey from me left Portland until today. Wasn't a normal journey. Hear me, you know. Some people stop by obstacles, my journey's continue. Every single day, it will be continue. Babylon always looking some people wrong from you. Some people stop by obstacles, my journey's continue. Devil is always gonna be around, continue. Every single day, it will be continue. Babylon always looking some people. People love me, that's all of my pride on this side, so I don't have a feel. People think for the pray to God, me have a job. I got rock for watch have one question I want to ask. What have I done to you? Why you wanna treat me like a criminal? I'm not a criminal. What have I done to you? Why you wanna come to my funeral? Come at my funeral. What have I done to you? Why you wanna criminal? I'm not a criminal. What have I done to you? Why you wanna come to my literal? So me exercise every day. I'm chanting. The police are looking away with expressions. But as long as we have life in our head, this already life is not a moving on a scene. Where them are brave is deep. Them not go see away. They are not cemetery. So they pray what them are praying unnecessary. Yes, me as is just something I don't see unnecessary. Cause every day them are who gonna wish. They say we perish. Cause they opposite of love is what I cherish them. Now I just do it on the terrace. I go down and put it up with this life like terrace. What have I done for you? Why you wanna treat me like a criminal? I'm not a criminal. What have I done for you? Why you wanna come to my funeral? Come at my funeral. What have I done for you? Why you wanna treat me like a criminal? I'm not a criminal. What have I done for you? Why you wanna come to my funeral? I need that. Time for me to take out that jacket, yeah. Dance all I want now. Do me a favor, pull that one down up there so for me. Pull that one down up there so for me. Yeah, it takes a long to pull it up. Your fingernail them too tall. Yeah, and take out my jacket. I wanna feel so free when they do this. You know what I'm saying? Rusty and vegetable, we don't have meat. We don't have pork and we don't have beef. Things with some man do go tell them now. God the fastest, them a go get this a rate. Rasta no bleach and no way we no more. Woman a sell them body, Rasta no buy more. Now say my partner we from back roll. I swear me, rather no go afford more. Bobo was something so we love nice things. Big fat guy with a big nice rings. But we know when someone do feel such things. So me for you when I boy when you wear nose ring. Stop exercise cause me no like jack. Cause lovely. This is a 90s rhythm. And it is called Answer. So usually when me hear them rhythm, I'm pay respect to some of the man that pave the way for somebody like me. So me I big up about 3 artists. And the first one me I go big up, he is the Ground Godzilla of dancehall. If you don't look about the killer in a Sumfest, I want you hear your boss about the killer black. Me I go big up our next brother. I him make me have on the turban. I him make me say Holy Emmanuel I Selassie I. Sure! If you don't know, Sisters Like a Lounge is one of the greatest boss of black Sisters Like a Lounge. Me I big up our next brother. But me now call him name. I go sing to him song them. Say me and you share the same sentiments. Give him forward. One job. I'm a say it up. Girl, you know your body right and burn. Okay. Girl, you know your body right and burn. Hold on. I love me, money and thing. I love me, money and thing. Good. Alright. All the way, all the run. All the run. All the. cream and I go. And that too, I'm gonna love the mix up too much. The mix up on the deal with you. The only thing I can see on social media and share chase me. But yeah, and that I say yeah. Me I go tell them why you want, so hold that. You know why she wants to? You want to go easy, no? You want to go hard. You want to take care of me, why you? Just one shot, but you want to go. Me want to you want to all of the real man, them in a Sumfest bus a black. All of the real woman, them in a Sumfest bus a black. So all the man, them make the woman, them black clothes. So my brother, them are idiot. All of the real man, them in a Sumfest. You want to go easy, but you want to go hard. You want to take care. You just want shot, but you want furniture. Baby, me would have you with your boy. But I'm in no say you want for me. You are loud of me, don't play that. You me would have you with your boy. But I'm in no say you want me star, but I'm in no observer. You want some food. And then I'm trying to try me, no compatible. Who always a link to them. I said this when I work out, cause it's selective. How we are different. Destined to shine, but you slow me drive. Now I know what you know, let me a be a rider. My head you're waiting, but you know, and your eyes on the eyebrow. Either be me or that you will know. But come in and say, you are from me, you are loud of me. Yeah, me would have been with you, yes, right now. But come in and say, you want me star, but I'm your observer. You want soul food. You want gain, and after you never try. Every year I you know I will find it. Think you are playing, but games you don't fly. We can't believe how you die. That's why you hit up with the bugger. Cause you are real fun. Try no last, cause I know me I go find you. Swear me no live on your it's cool. Baby me would have. But come and on say you are for me. You are all of rust and up here. Yeah me would have you with your yes why I can't. But come and on say you want me star, but I'm your observer. Me want soul food. You want go easy, but you want to take care. You just want some, but you want furniture. You want Thank you so very much. So I haven't done Reggae Sumfest in 9 years. 9 years past, I'm another Reggae Sumfest. So being forward with reggae music, I'm forward with dancehall music. So me have this song I put out the other day. And on the street song, I'm half a performing fool. But I'm like, where are the farmers? Where come up here, bro?
But general, everybody person in a Reggae Sumfest, get up off of your chair right now. This is reggae, this is dancehall. Give me this, give me this, give me all running like that crowd, yo. Give me this, give me this, give me this Sumfest, give me this, come. Give me this, give me this, give me this Sumfest, give me this. You're running on like, start it, back up, boom. put your two hand over your head. Wave it from side to side. Bugle, watch the people there. Are you up here fine now? I got nothing come. Give me that wave, you're not so fast. Give me that wave, you're not so fast. Hey, dance on time.
Selassie, Jah! If we now will advise in Bugle, what's a blank for Bugle? If we don't love Bugle performance, what's a blank for Bugle? Thank you so very much. Me never ever say me are the baddest artist. Because I don't want to be the baddest artist. That come with too much pressure. If you tell me say you're the baddest artist, you have to prove that to me all when you're dead in the wheelchair. And you say so, prove it to me. I'm not the baddest artist. You know why I can't say me are the baddest artist? Because we have too much artists who I rate. And it's not like say I put them above me, but I put them above me if you all understand what I say. Or I feel people like Shabba Rankin, Ninja Man, Bounty Killer, Beanie Man, Capleton, Sizzla Kalanchi, Buju Banton. The list goes on and on and on. And me are going like them and they're not the greatest who ever do this. If you love all of the artists them name, I'm just call Busta Blank for them for me, please. My time limited tonight. So I'm not going to do my full set when I want to do. I have only for each song I would love to sing, but the time not going to allow me to do that. But I have one more song to sing. And so the song I'm going to sing for the idol. It's a forward from a deeper place. So Mr. Lightman, I'm asking you please to lock off all the lights. So we can share something with Masicka because of 9 years when I do Sumfest. Lock off the bright one out of my face too, please. I want to reason with my fans them now. Anybody in here will have a mother Busta Blank for mama? Anybody in here will don't have a mother Busta Blank for mama when I'm there? 3 years ago, the 8th of June 2022, I sit down in the hospital and watch mama take her last breath. But I know how painful that is. Some of you have a mother and I know I spend little time with mama. But when mama dead now, I run go talk about mama, I miss you. And when mama did alive, and I did that this mama. Anybody in here will have a mother where you love me, I beg you please. When you go, even if mama asleep, go in the room and kiss mama on her jaw and say, mama, I love you. If you don't live with mama, say mama text and say, mama, I love you. If tomorrow morning mama says she want a cup of coffee, don't only give her coffee, but give her Minto, give her chocolate, give her Milo, give her anything where mama require. Because mama are the greatest. I know my mother usually tell me, say, I can't know the use and tail until him lose that. Me grudge everybody will have a mother, that's not the only thing me grudge.